In this video, we will walk you through the process of logging into your First Savings credit card account. Whether you're a new user or need a refresher, this easy-to-follow guide will make the login process seamless. Follow the step-by-step instructions to access your account quickly and securely. Video script. Introduction. Welcome to our tutorial on how to log into your First Savings credit card account. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to manage your account, view your balance, make payments, and more. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. First, open any web browser on your computer or mobile device. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser of your choice. Step 2. Navigate to the First Savings credit card website. In the browser's address bar, type the following URL, www.firstsavingscc.com, and press Enter. This will take you to the home page of First Savings credit card. Step 3. Locate the login section. Once the page loads, scroll down a bit to find the login section. You will see a field asking for your username and password. Step 4. Enter your username. In the first box, type the username you created when registering for your First Savings credit card account. Be sure to enter it exactly as you did during the sign-up process. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, type in your password in the second field. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check that you've typed it correctly. Step 6. Click on the Login button. After filling in both the username and password, click on the Login button. This will direct you to your First Savings credit card account dashboard. Step 7. Troubleshooting. If you have trouble logging in, double-check your username and password. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If you've forgotten your username or password, click the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Conclusion? That's it. You've successfully logged into your First Savings credit card account. Now you can easily manage your finances, make payments, and check your balance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.